Hi guys, welcome to Equisis. Myself Murugan, and it is my pleasure to address you guys with a lot of interesting features. And we always appreciate your feedback and valuable comments because based on your comments and your suggestions, we come out with interesting features which enable us to do two things: collective judgment, although we work independently. Number two, it helps us to focus at the right stock at the right time because we have 1,000 stocks, but we have a limited time to give importance to a few stock. So how do I get that stock and pay more attention to it? So ensure that your audios are enabled to track our things properly, and if you can hear my voice properly, then it's absolutely fine. And I hope you guys remember that always trade with discipline and knowledge. So how to do a stock analysis effectively? So we have made some interesting features in our website. I'll quickly take you through this. Okay, once again, all these activities are limited to a people who are an existing member at Equisis Pro. So first you have to log into our Pro, and think if you're not logged in, you could see at this place login menu. So if you log in, then it will come along with your username here. If you manage to log in here, what you have to do is to do stock analysis. I hope you all aware about the starting platform we use, which is an open source platform supported by TradingView. And if you can change any company, yes, you can change the list of companies and we can do stock analysis. But we have thousands of company here. So how do I actually pick stock? Okay, guys, number one, go to our Equisis website.com, equisis.com. On a daily basis, it is we try to sort a company based on various analysis. So we have something called stock screener. This interesting tool help you to focus at the companies based on various parameters. Like if it gets loaded, you could see, okay, this is based on 8th July. By default, these companies are sorted based on the volume performance. Like these companies had a very good volume when compared to the recent days. Let's see, like if I click BPCL here, it will quickly populate me with the BPCL charts, and probably look at this. This company had a really good volume when compared to the recent days, and this stock is also looking like a good a flag sort of a thing. I could see a kind of a pole along with good volume. So if there is any trading opportunity because of volume, can be spotted here. So ensure that you actually view all the stocks. And if you want to pick anything like gap down or anything about top traded, you can actually pick stocks like this. Likewise, we have a lot of various interesting parameters like relative analysis. Look at this relative analysis. This will ensure that how is this particular stock performed over the peer groups or the index, and you can also pick this along with the index basis. So if you want to see this company, if I pick a stock based on volume, or if I want to pick a stock based on relative strength itself. So look at this TCS is not performed really well, Just Dial is not performed really well. So if I want to really see the stocks which are performing well, South Indian Bank, BPCL, Allahabad Bank, PFC, all these companies are doing well when compared to the Nifty. But if I see a lot of stocks which are not performing, or probably like the TCS, Infosys, how do I know that? You just you click relative strength once, then it will sort ascending, otherwise it descending. Likewise, you can find 1 month performance, 5 days performance. You keep sorting all these columns and click those companies, and you find some good names for a trading. Likewise, do not miss out these columns as well. You could see something like a trend analysis. Open this view called trend analysis. Here you have something called open interest analysis. This will also help us to pick a stock based on daily activities. So look at this company called, okay, this is called as a strength analysis here. Okay, you could see something like Kane India is consistently moving for 7 days, probably 6 to 7 days. It is consistently moving upside, consistent gainer, but on the last trading day it lost 3%. So after a significant gain, today it corrected a stock. So these are the various ways by which you can actually pick stocks. I still recommend you people do not miss out those open interest analysis as well. Come down here, and here you could see that a South Indian Bank open interest analysis based on performance also really good. So I just wanted to know what exactly happened with respect to South Indian Bank. So let's open up this chart here. Look at this, the really good volume. After a long time, the stock was actually under a serious trouble. I think there was a head and shoulder pattern in this company also. But from in the month of May, it witnessed a good volume and start moving up. So how come this platform going to help you out? There are thousands of companies. How do I pick that company? Based on the screener, I think this will help us to focus company. Number two, how do I place my views here? Guys, I hope pay attention here. I hope you all must be aware about this platform. This platform, by default look like this for us. Now we have introduced a new menu called stocks. If you click all stocks, by default it is going to populate all companies which we can do analysis. If any of the companies are not available for you to do analysis, feel free to click this probable icon here, which is message icon, and you mention your name, email address, and which company you want to do analysis. Then we actually enable that particular group for you. Okay, say in case if you want to get views about all these companies like Aditya Birla, ACC, I request you people quickly press this join group and become a member here. Okay, if you become a member in each and every group, then anyone who posts view about that particular company in that particular group, then you get the notification as if on top of it, like Murugan posted views about Kane India. So then you can quickly get into it and you can review it and you can make use of it. And sir, if you focus 3 to 4 companies like Bharti Airtel, say you find any trading opportunities in Bharti Airtel, then you get into Bharti Airtel and you post your views only about Bharti Airtel here. Do not post other company views here, because this is going to send a notification for the members who wanted to get views about Bharti Airtel. So what happens is, if you post any views about Bharti Airtel, then the other members who's going to comment about your view, then you really get some interesting judgment. So all we request you people is to make use of these two groups. So first, quickly get into this and press all stock and become a member in almost whatever the stocks you are interested in. Then on a daily basis, get into this website here and go to this stock screener, relative analysis, do analysis. And if you find any trading opportunity, then get into that particular group and post your views. Thank you. Happy trading.